the seventh problem. Would this type of circuit, which you made in part 6 above, be suitable for use in residential or commercial buildings? Why is this type of circuit useful? Well, you'll have to think about this. Okay, you'll have to think about this. But maybe to give you a hint, would you be happy to have a circuit like this in your home? Okay, let's say each light bulb is in a separate room. But there are 3 rooms in your house, and each light bulb is in a separate room. Okay, would this switch be, this circuit be convenient? Okay, where you can turn off all the lights with just one switch and switch them on with the same switch. Would that be useful in your house? Or would it be useful in an office building, for example? Okay, in a factory, in I don't know. Would that be useful? So you think about it. So that's problem number 7. Number 8. Remove 2 switches from this circuit. You create from the circuit you created in problem 6, such that you now have a circuit with 1 switch, a battery, and 3 lamps in series. Close the switch and observe the brightness of the bulbs. Use your voltmeter to measure voltage across each lamp. Determine the sum of these 3 voltages. Is there a voltage law which relates to this sum? Use your ammeter to measure current in your circuit. Okay. So we have to remove 2 of the switches. So I'm gonna remove this. And this. Okay, so maybe use wires. I can do it like this, but I want to make this look nice, so I'm gonna use a wire here. Okay. Here they're in series. All the light bulbs are in series. But the previous circuit wasn't a series circuit. So now the bottom light is in parallel with the top lights. Okay, because that's what we had in problem 6. And in problem 8 they are asking us to just remove 2 of the switches, not to change the circuit completely. So I want to get back the circuit that I had in problem 6 by just removing the switches, and that's what I have here now at the end. Okay. So now I have 1 switch, okay, and a battery and 3 lamps. Okay. So how has the brightness changed? Is it the same as before? Or has it changed in any way? Okay. So use your voltmeter to measure voltage across each lamp. So the voltmeter is here, and over here. Okay. Here. Another one here, and it tells me what the voltage is for the top light on the right. Then here for the top light on the left, the voltage is 4.5 volts. For the bottom right, it's the same. It's different. I found 9 volts. Okay. So this is how I'm solving this problem. So why is the voltage different? Okay, when you compare the top part of the circuit, so the 2 lights in the top part of the circuit, and the light at the bottom. Why are their voltages different? Think about it. Now, is there a voltage law which relates to this sum? Okay, to the sum of the voltages of the 3 lights. So there again, you will have to consult your textbook or your class notes and find what that voltage law would be. Now we need to use the ammeter to measure the current. Remember, the ammeter has to be placed inside the circuit, has to be part of the circuit, and with the ammeter we need to measure the current in the circuit. Okay? The current is not going to be the same in general, so I may want to place 1 here, so I need to make a cut and place 1 ammeter there. Okay, and I read a current of 9 amperes. I may want to place an ammeter here, cut, see what the current coming out of the battery is. Different. Isn't that strange? The current leaving the battery is not the same as the current entering the light bulb at the bottom of the circuit. It's not the same. Why is it not the same? Okay, so you will have to tell me. I want another one here, another ammeter there, to find the current going through this light bulb. Again, a different current. How about here, in the last light bulb? Make a cut and bring another ammeter from the right margin. The margin on the right. Okay, connected. Didn't connect it well. We want to make a cut here. And here it is. Okay. It looks strange, but alright, so here it is. Okay. So I know that the current going through this light bulb, so top right, is 0.45 ampere. The current going through the left light bulb is 0.45 ampere. The current going through the bottom light bulb is 0.90 ampere, and the current leaving the battery is 1.35 amperes. But this is specific to this circuit because of the voltage of the battery, which is 9 volts, and the resistance of these light bulbs, which is 10 ohms for all of them. Each one of these light bulbs has a resistance of 10 ohms. Okay? So that's why we have these values for the magnitudes of our currents. Okay? And if you remember the laws that you've seen in the course, you will be able able to explain why there are these differences, why these currents are different. Okay, so that was problem number 8. Number 9 now, problem number 9 says set up a circuit with the same battery voltage as in 6, where there are 3 bulbs and 3 switches in use. Okay. Create this circuit such that when one switch is open, only one bulb goes out. Draw this circuit diagram below. Okay. So the circuit we had in problem number 6. But modified. Okay. Modified. So how are we gonna do that? I think it's better to get rid of the current circuit and make a brand new one. Okay. So we need 3 light bulbs, like before. Okay, 3 light bulbs, a battery, before, and 3 switches. Okay. But we have to be careful this time. We don't want one switch to control the entire circuit, like we did in part 6. Okay, so every switch must be able to turn off just one light bulb. So I'm going to connect one switch to every light bulb. And that's it. We have all the pieces, right? 3 switches, 3 light bulbs, and a battery. The rest is just connecting all the pieces together. So, and of course that is done with wires. And then the last connection, and we have our circuit. Okay, let me close the circuit. Maybe conventional current, okay, instead of electrons, and that's it. Okay, if I open this part of the circuit, see, I turn off only the top light. Okay, close it again. If I open this part of the circuit in the middle, I turn off only the middle light, the one in the middle. Okay, and the other 2 are not affected. Close it.